Okay, we are at the Livonia potluck at, what is this, Livonia Unity Church.
Yeah.
And it's at the meetup.com. If you are interested in coming, we would love to have more vegans here.
Vegans or non-vegans.
Or non-vegans, yeah, because like I was explaining before, I'm in the raw food challenge right now, and they have some raw food here. I'm so excited. So she's going to explain, and your name is?
Diane.
Diane, and Diane is going to explain the dish that she made for the potluck.
Very easy. This is made from burritos, taco powder or something. You get it at Whole Foods, and you put 2/3 cup of water in, and that makes the dressing. And then this is just lettuce and tomato and avocado.
Ooh, looks
Couldn't be any
nummy.
easier.
Diane is a really fabulous chef.
Oh.
She is. I mean, I've eaten many things she's made.
It looks good. So you took the avocado and you just sort of massaged it in there? Is that what you did?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, there are pieces in here.
Oh, there's pieces.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And then the tomatoes are from my garden.
Fresh is fresh.
Yep.
And it looks like over here we're doing something with radishes. What are we doing with radishes?
Just cutting them up, garden fresh.
Now you were at the fruit festival, right? Weren't you? Yeah.
Fruit
Yeah.
Festival
See?
2012.
I saw pictures of you on YouTube.
No way. I haven't even seen them on YouTube.
Oh, that's funny.
That's awesome.
So, and your name is?
Amanda.
Amanda. And she's making something with radishes. What are we making with radishes?
Just radishes.
Oh, just
There's
radishes.
the soup on the way.
Oh, okay. So we'll have to
These are
look at the
fresh.
soup.
These are fresh from the garden.
Woohoo! All this delicious food. I am excited.
You started raw food?
Yes, I am a newbie. I just started,
I didn't mean I'm not like.
oh no, I'm a newbie. I just started, I'm on my 21st day of the Banana Girl Challenge right now.
Good.
So,
Banana Girl challenge.
so it is exciting, and oh my God, the energy is amazing.
Oh yeah.
Amazing. I went from sad to this, and I feel like I'm high all the time.
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly it.
All right, guys, I will film some more of the table once everybody gets here.